Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting crypto tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to withdraw TRX from Arculus Wallet to Metamask in 2025. If you're holding TRX and want to move it to Metamask for easier trading or staking, this guide is perfect for you. It's straightforward, but always remember to double-check everything to keep your funds safe. First things first, let's cover the prerequisites. Make sure you have the Arculus Wallet app installed on your device and that it has some TRX balance. You'll also need Metamask set up in your web browser, linked to the Tron network since TRX operates on the Tron blockchain. If you haven't added the Tron network to Metamask yet, head over to the settings and add it using the network details like RPC URL and chain ID. I'll link that in the description. Now, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Open your Arculus Wallet app and navigate to your TRX holdings. Select the Withdraw or Send option, then choose TRX as the asset. Step 2. In Metamask, go to your wallet and copy the receiving address. This is crucial. Paste it carefully into the Arculus wallet to ensure your TRX goes to the right place. Double-check for any typos, as crypto transactions are irreversible. Step 3. Enter the amount of TRX you want to withdraw. Remember, there might be network fees, so check your balance first. Review the transaction details, confirm it, and wait for the blockchain to process it. This usually takes a few minutes, depending on network congestion. Once it's confirmed, head back to Metamask and refresh to see your TRX arrive. If you run into issues, like a stuck transaction, you might need to check the Tron Blockchain Explorer for status updates. And there you have it. You've successfully withdrawn TRX from Arculus to Metamask. This process keeps your assets flexible and secure. If you're new to crypto, start small and always use hardware wallets for better protection. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tips, and hit the bell icon for notifications. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.